What's up guys, it's Neelam and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I drape this beautiful resort dress. So without further ado, let's start the video. For this drape, you will need a long fabric belt and tie it the way I am doing. Once tied, turn the knot backside. Grab your sari and make pleats of the palla section. And pin it up, leaving half meter of the fabric and tuck it at the neckline to make the front bodice. Move the pinned area onto your side waist and secure it with an elastic or a belt. Then spread the top to make a bodice and pin it up with the neckline belt. Now grab the remaining fabric and make pleats and tuck it at your waist to make a skirt. Pin up the opening. Grab two safety pins and pin them at the sides of your bodice under the bust area, as we will pass the fabric belt through these safety pins to make it a backless resort dress. These kind of drapes are good for photo shoot or trying out drapes so that you can check how they will look when you actually get them stitched. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you like it, and if you do, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram account, and till then stay connected, spread love. Sayonara.